10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আমি জিয়াউদ্দিন চৌধুরী। আজকের পোকো লাইভ স্ট্রিমিংয়ে সবাইকে স্বাগতম। আশা করি সবাই ভালো আছেন এবং সুস্থ আছেন। আই এম ভেরি এক্সাইটেড অ্যাবাউট টুডেজ ইভেন্ট বিকজ ইট ইজ ভেরি স্পেশাল অ্যান্ড ভেরি ক্লোজ টু মাই হার্ট। We have had a very good memories with Poco. We started Poco journey in 2018 with Pocophone F1. It has given us an incredible success. I still remember when we have started the first sale at midnight. We were preparing for staying full night at office. Thanks to Poco fans, we ran out of stock in just few minutes. I could go home and had a really good sleep. Over the last 2 years, we have received lots of requests from the fan to launch Poco. We took time. We tried to listen from the fan what exactly they need. And today, we are here to announce the relaunch of Poco brand in Bangladesh. Before going to product session, let's have a look to what is Poco. In Poco, we have focused on 3 major things. Number 1, technology that matters. We will not focus on any specs which might look good on a paper. Rather, we focus on which really matters. Number 2, we democratize decision making. We always listen to our fan, take feedback, which makes every fan a product manager. And number 3, we are ever evolving because we are constantly looking into new specs and features. As a result, fans love Poco. In the last couple of years, we have really been blessed by our fans with their love. Currently, we have millions of fans following in our social media platform. It is a shocking number considering we are just 2 years old. Recently, we have seen other brands often miss the marks with their new products. We thought একটি entry level processor ফোনে 8GB RAM, does it really matter? কিংবা 2020 সালের একটি মিড রেঞ্জ ফোনে ফুল এইচডি ডিসপ্লে থাকবে না, does it really make sense? At Poco, we are offering everything you need, nothing you don't. আমি অত্যন্ত আনন্দের সাথে জানাতে চাই আজকে আমরা একটি নয়, দুটো নয়, 3টি Poco স্মার্টফোন লঞ্চ করতে যাচ্ছি। Now, I'd like to invite Sami on the stage to take us through the amazing Poco squad.
Hello, everyone. I'm Sami. I'd like to welcome you all to the brand relaunch and product launch event for Poco. I'm super excited to be here today because we have 3 very, very exciting Poco phones to share with you today. The first phone we want to share with all of you is the Poco X3 NFC. This is the very first X-series phone in the Poco lineup. I have been using the device for a few weeks now, and I can confidently say it's really good. Let's get started. we're going to start with the design. Exactly the design you need. It seems recently সব smartphone দেখতে একই রকম মনে হয়. We wanted to make sure the X3 really stands out. Let me show you. Here it is. It has a super bold and standout design, very eye-catching. We spent a lot of time and effort to make it unique yet premium. The stripe design on the back is inspired by classic racing design, which we are calling finish line design. And on the bottom of the finish line is a big Poco logo with a standout chroma design. It is a strong and bold statement, যেটা এখন কোনো ফোনে দেখা যায় না. The logo itself actually changes color when you tilt the phone. On the back, the 3D curved back design looks sleek and gives a great handheld experience. Do you want to see the colors? So here it is. The first color for the X3 is shadow gray. This looks really stealth at night and stands out during the day. Jodi arektu bold color chan, we have cobalt blue. This is a very cool color in any lighting. I actually have mine on me. So, এতক্ষণ দেখলাম ফোনটা বাইরে থেকে দেখতে কেমন. Let's talk about what's on the inside. Poco was always known for performance. Today is no different. We are going to give you exactly the performance you need. But first, we need to identify what you don't want. Laggy performance, unstable performance, slow. These are not words that a smartphone user can tolerate. So আমরা first ensure করতে চেয়েছি such concerns do not exist. এটা solve করার জন্য we have an awesome processor. Actually, the processor made its global debut on the X3. We worked with Qualcomm to bring the Snapdragon 732G. 732G Antutu-te 3 লাখের উপর স্কোর করতে পেরেছে. To get an idea of how good it is, we compared two popular 700 series processors. দেখতেই পাচ্ছেন, the 732G scored significantly higher than the 720G and the 730G. এই segment very few phones can compete with this score. The GPU is an Adreno 618, which is part of the Elite Gaming series by Qualcomm, which pushed the Poco X3's hardware and software with some elite gaming features. The X3 delivers some serious gaming performance. When it comes to AI processing, the X3 can reach 3.6 trillion operations per second. This is mind-blowing fast. মাঝে মাঝে ছবি তোলার পর গ্যালারিতে গেলে দেখা যায় না processing. With 3.6 stops, you will rarely see that loading circle again. So, 720G or 730G এর সাথে compare করলে, the 732G hands down is the clear winner in the 700 series this year. Whether you are gaming with its GPU processing power for a smooth gaming experience, or if you are multitasking, opening multiple apps at the same time, it can do it all. Even when you take photos or edit existing photos, it will be smooth and fast. To pair with such an awesome processor, we matched it with 6 gigabytes of LPDDR4X RAM. Is that all? Etai ki exactly the performance you need? Poco fans know that we go the extra mile when it comes to performance. Introducing Liquid Cool Technology 1.0 Plus. নামটা যারা চিনতে পেরেছেন তারা হয়তো জানবেন যে আমাদের সব পারফরমেন্স ড্রিভেন ফোনে এই টেকনোলজি আমরা ইউজ করি। Now you may realize we are calling it 1.0 plus. In the first generation, we used a thin copper heat pipe to absorb the heat. This was a revolutionary technology driven by POCO. এখন সেটাকে আরও বেটার করেছি আমরা। We increased the heat pipe by 70%, which cools the device much faster. The increased heat pipe dissipates heat and can actually keep the device 6 degrees cooler than phones without liquid cool technology. With the latest 4G 732G processor, packed with 6 gigabytes of RAM and up to 128 gigabyte storage, along with liquid cool technology 1.0 plus, কেউ ভাববে না যে এটা একটা mid-range phone. It's just that smooth. So we talked at the start what we don't want. So what is our solution? We offer you a smooth gaming experience with fast performance and sustainable performance, exactly the performance you need. Now, how do we actually see all this power? By giving you exactly the display you need. Again, we had to make sure we didn't create any of these. Slow responding display, a screen that stutters, and we certainly didn't want a small display. So, we are offering a big 6.67-inch FHD Plus display. This is a lot of screen, perfect for streaming videos or gaming. The X3 has a dot display, which has a very tiny dot in the middle. Hoito, it is the smallest dot in the market. It's only 3.8 millimeter. We wanted to make sure it doesn't obstruct any viewing experience for you. Now, I know you guys are excited about the display, but তার আগে একটা জিনিস দেখে নিই। At POCO, we love hearts. We really believe it is a very, very important feature. So on the X3, we put not 60, not 90, but a flagship refresh rate of 120 hertz. This was a very important decision for us because a high refresh rate screen was what our fans really wanted from us. Let me show you the difference between a 60 hertz and a 120 hertz display. As you can see, the 120 hertz display offers much smoother scrolling, which is easier on the eyes. আমি নিজে এটা না দেখা পর্যন্ত ডিফারেন্সটা বুঝতে পারি নাই। Everything just felt faster. It's awesome. কিন্তু প্রশ্ন হচ্ছে, do you always need 120 hertz? আমরা যখন ফোনটা ডিজাইন করছিলাম তখন রিয়েলাইজ করলাম যে বেশিরভাগ কন্টেন্ট 120 হার্টজ সাপোর্ট করে না। হয়তো আপনার মনে হবে অল দ্য টাইম 120 হার্টজ অ্যাক্টিভেটেড থাকলে পারফরমেন্স আর ব্যাটারি সাফার করবে না। Probably you are right. However, our display is dynamic. দেখাই জিনিসটা। Our 120 hertz display has two technologies to conserve battery for you automatically. We call this dynamic switch. When you are watching or recording videos, the display automatically adjusts to 60 hertz. And when you switch to certain games, the phone detects it and adjusts to 90 hertz. For even faster and higher performance gaming, it adjusts the refresh rate to 120 hertz. So, the result is you get 120 hertz when you need smooth viewing experience, and when you don't have 120 hertz content, the phone automatically changes to a refresh rate, a lower refresh rate, to conserve battery. This is some very advanced software technology. So we talked about the refresh rate, which is important for gaming. But what gamers are also concerned about is the touch sampling rate. For the POCO X3, we have a flagship sampling rate of 240 hertz. In fact, There are no phones in this segment that has this. Most phones, even flagship phones, have 180 Hz touch sampling rate, which makes the POCO X3 33% better in touch sampling. অঙ্কটা খুব সোজা 120 Hz display, 240 Hz touch sampling gives you 360-degree all-round smooth gaming experience. So to sum up, a big 6.67-inch dot display with a tiny hole punch. We have a smooth 120 Hz flagship-level refresh rate display with 240 Hz touch sampling. So what are we offering for the display you need? A fast response display, a smooth viewing display, and of course, a big display. কারো কারো হয়তো মনে হচ্ছে powerful processor, high refresh rate, battery টিকবে তো? টিকবে. Because we definitely have the battery you need. To address this, we put a massive 5,160 milliampere battery that can sustain over 2 days of use on a single charge. If you are into gaming or watching videos, actively using Facebook or Instagramming, you don't have to worry about your battery running out. Personally, আমি কখনো পাওয়ার ব্যাংক নিয়ে ঘুরতে চাই না, ব্যাটারি শেষ হয়ে যাবে এই চিন্তা করে। On a single charge, you can play 10 hours of games or up to 17 hours of video. However, when you do run out of charge, you don't have to wait too long to be back in action again. With 33-watt fast charging, you can fully charge this massive battery in 65 minutes. We even include a 33-watt charger in the box for you. So, to solve the battery problems, we offer a 2-day battery life with 33-watt fast charging. Exactly the battery you need. So, আমরা এতক্ষণ তিনটা মেজর জিনিস নিয়ে কথা বললাম। Snapdragon 732G, 120 Hz display, and 5,160 milliampere battery. These three things make up exactly the gaming you need. But that's not all when it comes to having the complete gaming experience. We have a Z-axis linear motor, which is a great haptic. It is super responsive and gives great feedback when you're gaming, giving you the ultimate feel experience. Mid-range phone, usually you never find such great haptics, but we felt it is necessary to give you the gaming experience you need. The X3 also features dual speaker setup, so when your earphones start hurting your ears after using them for a long time, you can still enjoy immersive audio through the dual speakers. And it's loud when you want it to be, without being harsh. All this makes the POCO X3 the perfect smartphone to offer you exactly the gaming you need. Let's check out the camera. I'm really excited about this one. The POCO X3 has a flagship-level quad camera setup. Now, I'm sure you've seen a lot of quad camera setups this year. However, 64 MP setup is still very rare. We have a 64 MP main sensor, a 119-degree ultra-wide camera, a macro camera, and a depth sensor. Let's see the main camera first. POCO X3 te ache industry-leading 64-megapixel Sony IMX682 sensor. This is a huge sensor which produces amazing image quality with precise colors and rich details. কিছু ছবি দেখাই আপনাদের 64 MP টা আগে দেখাই This photo is a shot of the Malaysia skyline. See how clear and sharp all the details are. Even though there is a lot to process in this photo, the actual skyline and the reflection in the water, it doesn't miss any of the details. Then there's the wide-angle camera. Now, this is a really great photo. We captured so much here that we were actually able to make the circle in the middle smaller than it actually is. The wide-angle camera captures all the details of the entire atmosphere, not missing anything. Now macro. I don't think people use it enough. It's a really cool feature. বাসার র্যান্ডম জিনিসের ছবি এই ক্যামেরাতে শ্যুট করলে it starts to look really cool. এটা একটা ঘড়ির ছবি. Something so ordinary, but the picture is magnificent. Finally, we have the depth sensor for portrait mode. The details on this image, the blurred background with the model perfectly cut for all the right details, very on point. To sum up, the camera that you need, flagship level quad camera setup with the industry-leading Sony IMX682 sensor with added features like Pro Mode, AI skyscraping, kaleidoscope mode, and 2 brand new creative filter modes, Gold Vibes and Cyberpunk. We've gone through some very exciting features already, but that's not all. আরও কিছু exciting features আছে, which completes the X3 experience. Some essential features, some fan favorite features, headphone jack, definitely fan favorite, IR blaster, কোনো ফোনে দেখা যায় না এখন, তাই লোকজন ভাবে এটা দরকার নাই. But if you ever lose a remote or have too many remotes at home, you will realize কতটা important একটা feature এটা. But let's talk about NFC. অনেকেই বলে এনএফসির দরকার নাই বাংলাদেশে, এটা কোনো কাজে আসে না. However, আমি রিসেন্টলি আমার ব্যাংক থেকে ক্রেডিট কার্ড পেলাম যেটাতে NFC চিপ বিল্ট ইন করা. I wanted to know what it was about. It seems NFC-enabled phones are used for just about everything in the rest of the world. ট্রেন, বাসের টিকিট পারচেস করা থেকে শুরু করে সিনেমা দেখতে গেলে, শপিং করতে গেলে, ইভেন প্লেনে বোর্ডিং করতে গেলে, all these places they use NFC. আজকে বাংলাদেশে ব্যাংকরা are already issuing cards that support NFC. It's only a matter of time where banks and other organizations start incorporating NFC. The Poco X3 is future-proof in that sense. You do not have to worry about buying a new phone when NFC inevitably becomes common in Bangladesh soon. Also included is a fingerprint sensor, but not just any fingerprint sensor. It's a side-mounted fingerprint sensor built into the power button, offering quick and easy access to your phone's security. অনেকে হয়তো বলবে these are small details, but we believe each one enhances the overall user's experience of the phone, giving you exactly the experience you need. So let's recap the amazing Poco X3 NFC. Every feature of the phone was handpicked after a really long and careful period of research, and of course, with the feedback of fans such as yourself. Let's take a look at a short video on the Poco X3. We have 2 more Poco devices to launch today. Let's start with the first of them. We are pleased to announce today the Poco M2. The Poco M2 packs massive power to let you win. It features a spectacular 6.53-inch LED display, which offers full HD resolution for ultra-crisp and vibrant colors for your media and content. With this, the Poco M2 redefines entertainment in this segment. The POCO M2 packs a gaming powerhouse, the Helio G80 octa-core processor with up to 2 gigahertz of CPU power. The G80 features HyperEngine gaming technology that offers an intelligent resource management engine to really push the device and deliver a smooth, lag-free gaming experience. The POCO M2 has 6 gigabytes of LPDDR4X RAM as standard, with up to 128 gigabytes of onboard storage. It supports both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi for even faster downloads, delivering true performance for the win. এর ভেতরে আছে 5000 mAh battery that lasts for more than 2 days on a single charge. It actually can last 12 hours of gaming and 25 hours of video playback. Even astounding is its 26 days of standard standby time. The POCO M2 has a quad camera setup with a 13MP primary sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, a 5MP high-definition macro camera, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The main camera offers stunning details and accurate colors, giving you the perfect shot every time. This is a picture of a skyscraper using the main camera on the POCO M2. This is the photo of the same building using the ultra-wide camera. See how much more details can be captured on the wide angle? দেখে কি তালের পিঠা বা বন্ডটি মনে হচ্ছে? It is actually a shot of some coffee beans using the macro camera. Just see the details on this. Taken from just 2 inches away from the subject, it maintains perfect focus and great colors. The POCO M2 has a unique two-tone pattern that offers a better grip and hand feel, but also helps avoid fingerprints on the phone itself. The POCO M2 is available in 3 stunning colors. First, we have the slate blue, the brick red, this is my personal favorite, and pitch black. So to recap, the POCO M2 is available in 3 gorgeous colors with great quad camera setup and packed full of power for the win. আজকের লাস্ট পোকো ফোনটা হচ্ছে, any guesses? The POCO C3. This is a true game changer in its segment. It has the best triple camera setup in its segment with a 13-megapixel main camera, a 2-megapixel depth camera, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. The main camera is able to take great photos with super accurate color reproduction. Just look at how it handles so many different colors in this photo so accurately. Then there's the macro camera. এগুলা কালার পেন্সিল, সবাই চিনি, সবাই ইউজ করি, বাট কেউ হয়তো এগুলাকে এভাবে দেখে নাই। See how the camera is able to reproduce not just the colors of the pencil tip, but also the details of the wood grain. We often think portrait mode is good for taking pictures of people only, but here's a picture of a trophy using the portrait mode. Notice how the batsman on the top is in perfect focus against the blurred background of the posters on the wall. The POCO C3 features a symmetrical camera cutout for a clean look and finish. It also has a tall display that offers a lot of screen real estate without being uncomfortable to hold in the hand. It is also great for reading content and for using split screen. The C3 features the Helio G35 processor, which is an octa-core CPU with up to 2.3 gigahertz clock speed. It also has a superclock GPU at 680 gigahertz, delivering exceptional gaming performance in its segment. Paired with the G35, there is a 4 gigabyte of LPDDR RAM, which is the best in its price segment. The power in the device is in the form of a 5000 mAh 2-day battery. I'm sorry, not only 2-day battery, but better battery 2.0. All batteries have a limited number of charge cycles. Charge cycle হচ্ছে একটা ব্যাটারি যখন 100% থেকে 0 এবং 0 থেকে আবার 100% চার্জ হচ্ছে. All batteries have a finite number of it. With the POCO C3, we have increased the number of charge cycles to 1,000, which is 25% more than other smartphones in this segment. This means that with better battery 2.0, the POCO C3 can last for more than 3.2 years before you notice any battery degradation. With better battery 2.0, your battery lasts longer, which means the battery does not need to be replaced. যতদিন ফোনটা আপনি ইউজ করছেন। The POCO C3 has 3 fabulous color options: Arctic blue, lime green, which looks great by the way, and matte black. So here it is, friends, the game changer, POCO C3, offering phenomenal features and spec at its price segment.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at all the POCO products we have unveiled today. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the POCO Squad. To take us through to the next part of the presentation, I would like to invite Zia Bhai back on stage. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you, Sami.
Thank you.
It is really a great pleasure to launch these 3 awesome POCO smartphone together. আমি জানি আপনারা সবাই প্রাইস জানার জন্য অধীর আগ্রহ নিয়ে অপেক্ষা করছেন। প্রাইসে যাওয়ার আগে আমরা জাস্ট কম্প্যারিজনটা একটু দেখে নেই। Let's have a look on the competition between POCO X3 NFC and the similar price segment Realme 7 Pro. POCO X3 NFC is a really amazing product. It is country's only smartphone in this segment with 240 Hz touch sampling rate. So you will have a great gaming experience powered by world's first Snapdragon 732G processor. For game responsiveness and better gaming experience, it will also come with G-Axis motor. As I mentioned earlier, we bring product with the technology that matters. We don't bring any product with just focusing on a single spec and just do a heavy marketing on it. Rather, at POCO, we bring the product with everything you need, nothing you don't. POCO X3 NFC come with exactly what you need. POCO X3 NFC 6 plus 64GB variant বাংলাদেশের বাজারে পাওয়া যাবে মাত্র 25,999 টাকায়। আর POCO X3 NFC 6 plus 128GB variant পাওয়া যাবে মাত্র 27,999 টাকায়। Few days ago, I asked the fans on social media whether they need a higher memory with a low resolution display or they need a full HD display with a better viewing experience. Almost everyone chose full HD display. As a fan-centric brand, POCO democratized decision making. That's why POCO M2 is the combination of full HD display, 6GB of RAM, and many other exciting features at an amazing price point. The 6 plus 64GB will be available at only 15,999. And 6 plus 128GB will be available at 16,999. Now, let's come to the POCO C3. We thought about online classes and the post-pandemic digital requirement. We feel the consumer need a phone with a bigger display, better camera, more memory, and more power, of course. POCO fans, POCO C3 is the product having all these features. POCO C3 3 plus 32GB variant বাংলাদেশের বাজারে পাওয়া যাবে মাত্র 11,999 টাকায়। আর পোকো C3 4+64GB ভেরিয়েন্ট পাওয়া যাবে মাত্র 12,999 টাকায়। Soon, all these products will be available countrywide. Thank you everyone for enjoying today's event. Take care.